Gorgeous people, this is Amber's DIY and other stuff. My name is Amber Meeks, and in today's video I have some more Valentine DIYs for you. But in today's video we're going to be decorating my entryway banister, so I'm going to take you along with me, show you how I did the DIYs to decorate for that entryway banister. And before I start on that, I want to send a huge shout out to my girl Jean. Her channel is now called Pinky Jean, and she had a very unfortunate thing happen to her, and she lost her YouTube channel that she'd worked so hard to build. And when I saw that this morning when I was watching it as I was getting ready to do this intro, I thought, you know what, I need to give my girl Jean a shout out because it was a very unfortunate circumstance. So now she has to start from scratch. So I am going to link Jean's channel in the description box below, as well as the video explaining what happened and how she lost her YouTube channel. I think it's a very valuable lesson that all of us can learn. So yeah, please make sure you guys check her out. And if you're not subscribed, please make sure you subscribe. She has a lot of fun content. All right, guys, let's jump into the video. Okay guys, I'm going to start with these way too cute MDF envelopes that I got from the Dollar Tree. They have these little paper hearts on the inside, and what I want to do first is go ahead and cut off that string because I don't need that. I'll just go ahead and use that for something else. And then I'm just going to take these little paper hearts that are on the inside and I'm going to Mod Podge them into place, adding a generous amount of Mod Podge to the inside and then to the outside. If you don't have small children, you could totally use some double-sided tape, but my kid is going to take these in and out all the time and mess them up, so I'm just going to Mod Podge them into place.
I don't really need a new friend, so spend your time with me. Looking for someone who can play though, wanna hang with me. I'm not really looking for a friend, so spend your time with me. Looking for someone not afraid to give it all to me.
Okay guys, now that that is done, we're going to take these super cute decorative wooden hearts that I got from the Dollar Tree, and I'm just going to use those to cover up those holes because I don't want to see those, and I didn't want to add anything too big like a bow because I want to keep these looking like envelopes. I think they look adorable just the way they are. Okay guys, for this next one, we're going to take these two signs that I got from the Dollar Tree, and I decided to cut off the string, but really all you have to do is put it through the back there, and then that way you can use the string for something else. I wasn't thinking, but you know, whatever. Now we're just going to go ahead and add a bow to these just to cover up those holes essentially. So I'm just going to take some ribbon, I'm going to make myself a bow, I'm going to add it into place to cover up those holes and just add another decorative element to these signs.
All that I want is to get next to you, not asking for much, but it feels like the two of us are golden, gold, you see. We'll do you good, so take a chance on me. It's magical when you are close, so get close with me. We'll do you good, cause I am golden, Get next to me, get next to me. Get next to me, get next to me. Get next to me, get next to me. Get next to you, get next to you.
Okay guys, now that the bow is almost done, I'm going to go ahead and hot glue it to the center of this little sign here. Then I'm going to dovetail the ends and then strategically glue the ends in place so that they cover up those holes. Then I'm going to add an embellishment, and then this DIY is ready to roll. Okay guys, for this next one, we're going to take these glitter foam hearts that I got from the Dollar Tree. I'm just going to go ahead and pull those hangy thingamabobbers out because we don't need those. We're going to use these to make a wreath. So what I want to do is go ahead and attach these hearts strategically in a way that I think looks good, and I'm going to use these red shiny pipe cleaners to do that, but you guys could use anything. I mean, you could use zip ties, whatever you have on hand, some string, whatever. I just thought I would use these because I was hoping they would blend in enough that you really couldn't tell that I added them on there, but I mean, no matter what, you can tell, but you know what I'm saying. So I'm just going to go ahead and tie those into place. I think I end up adding 3, twisting them together, and then making sure everything's secure after I cut off my excess.
I don't really need a new friend, so spend your time with me. Looking for someone who can play though, wanna hang with me.
Okay, now that I have them tied together, I'm going to take these Baby's Breath and some roses, and I'm just going to stick them into the foam here just to add some more dimension and make it a little bit more full. So I'm just cutting these off, and what I want to show you guys here, when I put this one through, I cut it a little bit too long. It came out the other side. If that happens to you, just simply pull it out, cut some more off, and stick it back in, and then that just kind of let me know how short I needed to make these going forward. So I'm just going to keep rotating Baby's Breath, Rose, Baby's Breath, Rose over both of these hearts.
You're not really looking for a friend, so at the top for me. Never thought that loving would be easy, but it's all for free. Won't cost a thing, so it's yours, worth the try.
Okay, now that I have both of the sides pretty much done here, we're going to work on that center part because I want to cover up where I tied those two together in place. So I'm just adding some more Baby's Breath and some more roses to cover that center up. And again, just make it a little bit more full and beautiful. Okay guys, now that I have all that done, this is everything that I have on the steps here that we're going to use. I have some cut roses, pink and red. Then I have these super cute little home signs. And then we have the little envelopes that we just did, as well as the two little signs we just did. I have some Baby's Breath in the back there. And then I have the little heart thing, wreath thing we just made, and some string candle lights. So this is the garland that I already have. It's like a spring garland, and we're just going to use that, and we're just going to make it look Valentine because I didn't want to buy anything extra to do this little display. So the first thing I want to do is take my little string lights, and I'm just going to put them in place. Guys, these are genius. I got these from Amazon. They plug into the wall. There's 10 of them, and they fit perfectly all along my little I don't know what you want to call this banister here. Oh my gosh, this was like one of the best buys ever. I was going for like a super cute romantic kind of a look. So after I put those into place, I'm just going to go ahead and put the garland over top of the wires so that you can't see them. But now I don't have to worry about adding batteries or anything like that. Guys, I'm so excited about these. I will link them in the description box below if anyone is interested in getting them. So after I'm done fluffing everything, I plug in the lights just to make sure that they're all working. And then I'm just going to start decorating, guys. I'm going to decide where I want to put my signs. And then I'm just going to add some of the roses and the Baby's Breath into the garland to make it more Valentine-y. So yeah, that's what I'm going to do.
I don't really need a new friend, so spend your time with me. Looking for someone who can play though, wanna hang with me. I'm not really looking for a friend, so spend your time with me. Looking for someone not afraid to give it all to me. Get next to me, get next to me. All that I want is to get next to you, get next to you. Not asking for much, but it feels like the two of us are golden.
Okay guys, so this is the getup that I put together to hang this onto the banister. I'm just going to hang it from pipe cleaners from the little top of the banister here, just like lower it long enough to where it's somewhat in the middle and tie it into place. So then just to make sure it's 100% secure, I added some more pipe cleaners to the center, and then I am going to decorate up that top part. You won't see that on camera, but I do add some more roses and things like that since you can't see it hanging from the top of the banister there. So now I'm just going to finish decorating, guys, deciding where I want to put everything. And to hang my signs, I'm using this stuff called ALIENTAPE. I saw it on an infomercial late at night, and guys, this stuff works awesome. I highly suggest it if you want to use something that's not going to damage your surfaces and things like that while you're hanging things up like signs or whatever it is you want to hang up. I highly recommend it. I love this stuff. I will also link that in the description box below. I got it from Amazon. As you can see, my son's making an appearance here. So we're just going to finish decorating, talk about where we're going to put everything, and then this display is ready to roll.
Get next to me, get next to me. Get next to me, get next to me. Get next to me, get next to me. Get next to you, get next to you. Get next to me, get.
Okay guys, this is how it turned out. I absolutely love it. I think it turned out just as beautiful as I saw it in my head. So I'm going to go ahead and start at the end here and just take you through everything that I did. So this is the garland. Obviously I just added a bunch of roses and baby's breath in there and just to kind of cover up the wires for the candles, but you can still see them poking through. I think they look awesome. Then I hung up my signs here, and at the very top of this center wreath thingamabobber that I made, I just added a bow and some roses to cover up where you saw it hanging from the banister. This is what it looks like in the daytime. I'm going to show you a clip of it at night, and here it is. It looks so pretty. Oh my gosh, I absolutely love it. Guys, I'm super happy with the way that this display turned out. Let's go ahead and jump into my final thoughts. Okay guys, so I was super happy with how the entryway turned out. It turned out almost exactly how I saw it envisioned in my head. So I'm really happy with how everything worked out, and I love those string candlelights that I got from Amazon. Guys, I just punched in the words string candlelights and several different things came up that I wasn't looking for. This was the only thing that was exactly what I had in my head. It is an amazing, ingenious design where you can plug them right into the wall and you don't have to worry about putting batteries in them every so often. That was my biggest thing. I wanted this look, but I wanted the look without having to change batteries all the time. So I will have those linked in the description box below, guys. They are awesome. I've had them up for a few weeks now, and I think they are so super fun and exactly what I was looking for. All right, guys, that's all I got for you. Oh my gosh, I'm losing my voice. So sorry. I meant to mention that in my intro. It's a long story, but my voice is going in and out, and you're going to see that in the videos throughout the rest of this week, but hopefully it'll come back soon. But nonetheless, I wanted to give one more shout out to my girl Jean, and again, her channel is called Pinky Jean. Guys, she had a very unfortunate thing happen to her and she lost her YouTube channel, so she's trying to build it back up. I highly encourage you guys to go check out her channel. She is so super fun and one of the sweetest people that I know. So please make sure that you guys take a look at her channel. I'll have a link in my description box below. That's all I got for you guys in this video, and I'll catch you in my next one. Bye! But this time I'm going to be decorating my entryway banister. So I have a really good setup and idea. Okay, that's distracting. And I will have some more Valentine DIYs coming up for you. Okay.